am now alive. My viewers want to do paper, want to do chemistry paper, want to do chemistry paper together. We do this paper together. That's why I want you to be to know exactly. Now this is the paper that paper one, and I want you to know that we want to tackle some questions here, and these questions define a soluble base from the whole topic of acid and bases, that is um, for work. For work, don't panic because I will just answer everything for you. Now define a soluble base. Soluble base is a substance that dissociates in water. Okay, define a soluble base is a substance that dissociates in water. Right? Uh, thank you for the interruption. The substance dissolves in water to produce um, ions. Okay, substance that dissolves in water to produce ions. Now listen to me that once if you dissolve a given substance in water, this substance dissolves completely, and when it dissolves completely in water, it gives some ions. Uh, so you realize question 1b, this is paper 2, sorry. You realize question 1b is talking about something that it will conduct electricity. Now look at this: aqueous solution, 2 molar ethanoic acid and 2 molar nitric 5 acid were tested for electrical conductivity. Which solution is better conductor of electricity? You realize ethanoic is can't conductivity, but the 2 molar nitric 5 acid conduct electricity. So if you write nitric acid, you'll get a mark. You'll get a mark. Now then you're supposed to show how it dissolves or how it dissociates in water, because it's supposed to dissociate completely in water and give some ions. And now for a given substance to conduct electricity, it must have ions. So once if it dissociates in water, it gives out ions. It gives out ions. Okay. Now, because it is a strong acid, you realize you'll see that it dissociates in water and give out ions. It gives out ions. Okay. Now that is exactly what we are supposed to talk about. You realize this. Okay. Complete to solution to provide more ions. As you continue adding some water, you will see how it dissociates and give out those ions. Now we are moving slowly by slowly so that you can able to understand exactly. Uh, you'll see this is a compound because you want to make some differences. Uh, Ions as a compound to ethanol acid. Now this is completely. Uh, Let me just write something for you here. Right. So this is a compound. So once if you say it's a nitric 5 acid, you get a mark. The nitric 5 acid is a strong base. You'll also get a mark or have a mark. Also solution. It when it dissociates, dissociation is very 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 important. So don't forget to say that, because if it dissociates completely, that's why it gives out ion. We are moving to another question here. This is a very simple question. A simple question. Uh, uh, this question 3. Now, this question is very simple for us. The following are formula of organic compounds. I think you have done organic compound 1 and 2. This is organic compound 2. This is from 4 work. Use the formula to answer questions that follow. Now, see this one here. You have to talk about, because you just count. This is proper, no, proper, no, proper 1. Show where the hydroxyl ion has attached. Okay, it can be from the first um, uh, carbon atom. Then number 2 here, it is supposed to be ethyl. Um, there is this hydroxyl ion, that's ethanoic acid. This is an acid, and if you come to this one here, this is having how many? This is butane. Now it has a double bond. So, uh, okay. Now this I want to just write for you. This is supposed to write in structural so that you can see and name it. Okay. Yeah, you see. Mm, um, okay, you realize this. So the position of the double bond is somewhere here. The 3 bond. It's a double over 3 bonds. Yes. Now, if it's a structure, this is the structure of this compound. And the name of this is supposed to be butane, butane, butane. Okay. Butane. Now, this is butane. Oh, now, select 2 compounds which, when reacted to compound, to get produce a sweet smelling compound. A sweet smelling compound. Sweet smelling compound. Now, this sweet smelling compound, sweet smelling compound, sweet, something sweet, to produce sweet smelling. This is something very important. This topic is a very good. So, uh, this where the pleasant smell, pleasant smell, the same as. So, which one that the compound which, when reacted, it produces that pleasant or sweet smelling compound. Sorry. Hmm. Just don't panic. Right for you. Exactly. You have seen the propanol, ethanoic acid. Now there's 2 compounds there. To write 2 compounds. These 2 compounds. This is supposed to be. This is propanol and ethanoic acid. Propanol and ethanoic acid. Propanol has a base. So react. This is some reaction here. When it do react, when this dissolves in water, give ions and reacts, and you will experience that fruity or the pleasant smelling. Then question 2, the 2 compounds when reacted, and unsaturated hydrocarbon and saturated. You realize this question just move with the question above. Now this is the one, that one, unsaturated hydrocarbon or saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon. Now that's a very good one. butane. Then name the compound selected in A2. This is butane. Seriously, it's just very simple like that. Very simple like that. Very simple like A, B, C. This is very simple. Simple. Very, very simple thing. Realize this is gives us. I'm very sorry for the interruption. Yes, another question. Have a process. Nitrogen reacts with hydrogen according to the following. Mm, you will see this is it shows uh, this reversible reaction. Reversible reaction shows reversible reaction. Mm, it's a very nice question. What will be the effect of adding catalyst on the position of the equilibrium? Uh, this becomes very simple. Simple. What will be the effect in the catalyst? Catalyst. Catalyst speed up the rate of reaction. Okay, no effect. No effect. What would be the effect of adding a catalyst? There will be no effect here. Be no effect. So we're supposed to know